So let's talk about wearing cotton underwear for travel. What's the advantages and what's the disadvantages? Let's find out. If this is your first time watching my channel, I'm Tor. I love to make these travel related videos. Subscribe if you see what you like. So let's talk about the cotton underwear. Now, I want to just talk a little bit about the huge advantage of cotton, and that is that everybody has cotton underwear. You won't find a person on earth probably that doesn't have a pair of cotton underwear. So if you're a budget traveler or you're just not looking to spend that much money on travel underwear and you're looking for something you can wear anywhere, cotton is an excellent choice. You don't need to spend any extra money if you already have cotton underwear. Obviously, there are some drawbacks to cotton underwear that we will talk a little bit about, but overall, if you're just looking to go on like a couple of weeks trips or like you're going hiking for a week but you don't go hiking a lot, cotton is going to be totally fine. Don't worry about it. So the hugest advantages to wearing cotton underwear is obviously that it is quite breathable. It keeps its shape surprisingly well. Like some of the other fabrics that I've discussed in detail doesn't really hold its shape that well. Cotton always looks good, I think, especially these boxer briefs by Björn Borg. I think it's a Swedish brand. So obviously this is so great. It's also a very cheap option compared to some of the more specific travel fabrics out there. I do think that cotton does have some obvious drawbacks, and that is, first of all, that they get kind of wet when you're wearing them for a little bit, especially if you're going running. They tend to get kind of sweaty and disgusting, which some of the other ones don't. Second thing I hate about cotton underwear is that it's not odor resistant at all. So usually at the end of the day, these things are going to be stinky, whereas some other options may not be very smelly at all. Obviously, you can only wear these for one day before washing them, otherwise you're going to smell. I do not like that. But yeah, overall, cotton underwear is quite solid. I always bring a pair of cotton underwear just because I like the way it holds its shape very well. And if you're not going out traveling, walking an entire day in a mountain or something, cotton underwear is totally fine. I do think that if you're considering buying something other than cotton, you need to head over to my next video where I compare cotton underwear to ex-officio boxers, merino wool, bamboo fabric. So you should find that quite interesting. So thanks for watching this video, subscribe for more, head over to the next video, and I will see you there.